What is DNA? The full name of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a molecule that stores genetic information in all organisms and controls the development, function, and reproduction of the body. In other words, DNA is the molecule that contains the information for the formation, growth, functioning, and reproduction of every living being, human, animal, plant, and virus. Just as there are instructions to operate a machine, DNA provides instructions to operate our body. DNA was first identified by Friedrich Miescher in 1879. In 1953, Watson and Crick described its double helix structure model. Understood DNA. Now the question arises, what is a gene? A gene is the small part of DNA which contains the information to make a specific protein. Just like a recipe in a cookbook, DNA has a gene that tells which protein to make and how. For example, whether your hair will be black or brown is determined by a gene. The color of your eyes will also depend on the gene. So, a gene is that part of DNA which tells the body how to function. What is a chromosome? A chromosome is a thread-like structure that contains our DNA and genes. It is found in the nucleus of every cell in the body. Inside the chromosome is all the information about our body structure, color, height, and functioning. Some special things about DNA. DNA is made up of two long chains that are connected like a double helix. There are 4 types of nucleotides: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. Base pairing: A always pairs with T and C always with G. DNA transfers the unique identity and nature information of parents to their children. DNA controls protein synthesis in the body. If the DNA present inside a cell is completely straightened, its length would be approximately 2 meters, but it is contained within a very small nucleus. In eukaryotic cells, DNA is located inside the nucleus. In prokaryotic cells like bacteria, DNA floats openly in the cytoplasm inside the cell. It assists in cell division and growth. 99.9% of all human DNA is the same. Only 0.1% difference makes us unique. A cell contains more than 3 billion base pairs. DNA is used in crime investigation, ancestry information, disease identification, and so on. Some plants, like wheat, have more DNA than humans. If a person's DNA is stretched out, it can circle the entire solar system twice. Your DNA is 99.9% similar to any other human. Now scientists are using DNA as a medium to store digital data. Up to 215 petabytes of data can be stored in just 1 gram of DNA. This could revolutionize computer and storage technology in the future. What is a genome? A genome is the complete DNA set of an organism, which includes all its genes. The Human Genome Project was an international project that successfully identified all the genes in human DNA. It was completed in 2003.